Hello, good day, madam. I am Resami Toliparma, 25 years old, single with one child, and she is 4 years old now. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Forestry. I live in Pilar, Bohol, Philippines. I have one brother and one sister. Can you tell me more your experience? I have a work experience here in Philippines for 2 years as a housemaid of one couple and three children. My main duties are to taking care the youngest in the family, and also I can do house chores like cleaning, cooking meals, washing dishes, washing their clothes, ironing, and gardening in every weekend. So, can you tell me how to take care of a newborn baby? Um, First, I will prepare the bottled milk with warm water and powdered milk. Then I will feed the baby in every 2 to 3 hours. Change diaper in 2 to 3 hours, and also I will take a bath every day the baby, and I will also prepare a food like a nutritious food like potatoes and carrots. And also I can sing a song lullaby like a twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you.